Ugandan food is all about heart and soul.
Kenyan food is like a flavor explosion.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the exciting culinary debate between two African nations known for their diverse and delicious cuisines. And these countries are both East African countries, Uganda and Kenya. I am your host Isaac, and today I have two passionate representatives who will showcase and defend their respective countries' foods. Let's meet our debaters. Representing Kenya, we have Jane.
Hello everyone.
And representing Uganda, we have Mary.
Thank you, and greetings to everyone.
But before we go on, please share, like, comment. Please follow me on all social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Cook Many Show, and let's explore the world together. Thank you so much. Jane, we will start with you. Please tell us some of the iconic dishes from Kenya.
Thank you, Isaac. Hello everyone. Before I say anything about Kenyan cuisine, I would love to mention a little something about my country, Kenya. Kenya is a diverse and culturally rich nation located in East Africa. It is known for its stunning landscapes, including the iconic Masai Mara National Reserve, Mount Kenya, and the Great Rift Valley. Our country's unique geography and climate provide a wide variety of ingredients that contribute to the delicious and diverse Kenyan cuisine.
Wonderful. Thank you, Jane. Now, Mary, please tell us some of the mouthwatering dishes from Uganda.
Thank you, and greetings to everyone. Before we delve into the delicious discussion about Ugandan cuisine, I'd like to shed a little light on the treasures of Uganda. Uganda, known as the Pearl of Africa, is a nation of stunning natural beauty. We are home to the source of the Nile River, the picturesque Lake Victoria, and diverse wildlife. Making us a top destination for ecotourism. Our people are renowned for their warmth and hospitality. Which extends to our dining traditions.
Very, very wonderful. Now that we've heard about some signature dishes from both countries, let's move on to our debate. Jane, why do you think Kenyan food is superior?
Thanks, Isaac. Kenyan food is like a flavor explosion. One of our superstar dishes is Nyama Choma. Think of it as Kenyan barbecue. We grill succulent meat until it's perfectly smoky and tender. It's often served with a zesty tomato sauce that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance.
You need piri piri?
And if you're feeling adventurous, try some sukuma wiki. Our delicious collard greens sautéed with spices. It's the Kenyan way of turning greens into something truly irresistible.
Thank you, Jane. Mary, your response.
Isaac, in Uganda, we take food seriously, and it's all about matoke. Imagine sweet, creamy bananas cooked with a luscious peanut sauce. It's like a tropical paradise on a plate. And don't forget Rolex, not the watch. It's a rolled-up chapati stuffed with eggs and veggies, a street food sensation that's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Plus, our luambo is a slow-cooked masterpiece. Picture this: meat, vegetables, and groundnut sauce, all wrapped up in banana leaves and simmered to perfection. It's like a flavor party in your mouth.
This is very hot, both great points. Now Jane, can you please tell us about any specific Kenyan dish that truly represents the spirit of your country?
Yes, Isaac, Nyama Choma embodies Kenya's spirit. It's not just meat on a grill, it's a whole experience. Families and friends gather, share stories, and enjoy perfectly grilled meat with cold Tusker beer. It's like a delicious Kenyan tradition that unites us all. The sizzle of the grill, the aroma of spices, and the laughter of friends. It's the recipe for unforgettable moments. Kenyan food is a culinary journey through diverse flavors. From the coastal Swahili cuisine to the hearty dishes of the Maasai, we've got it all. We're like a United Nations of taste, with spices, herbs, and fresh ingredients galore. And don't get me started on our world-famous tea and coffee. Kenya is coffee heaven. We grow some of the best coffee beans in the world, and sipping a cup of Kenyan coffee is like taking a sip of the country itself.
Thank you, Jane. Now, Mary, can you please share a similar dish that truly represents Ugandan spirit?
Isaac, that would be Rolex. It's not fancy, but it's pure Ugandan ingenuity and resourcefulness. We take simple ingredients, chapati, eggs, and veggies, and create something amazing. It's the food of the people, enjoyed by everyone from students to workers, and it brings us together. It's like a little food adventure rolled up in a tasty package. And when you take that first bite, it's like a flavor explosion in your mouth.
Fantastic. It is clear that both countries have an amazing culinary traditions. Both countries have so much to offer in the world of food.
Kenya AA is the top tier of the Kenyan coffee grading system. The classification AA is simply the very best tasting and largest sized coffee beans exported from Kenya.
All right, viewers, so we are almost done, but before we go, we're going to take their final statements. Jane, what is your final statement about Kenya?
People should choose Kenyan food because it's a culinary adventure. We've got flavors from all over, and every bite tells a unique story of our diverse culture and landscapes. Plus, it's a delicious journey that'll leave you wanting more. So come on down to Kenya and let your taste buds go on a safari of flavor. Please, do not forget to vote for me, comment and share. Kenya all the way. Love you all.
Mary, what is your final statement about Uganda and their cuisines?
Uganda's food is all about warmth, sharing, and connecting. When you choose Ugandan food, you're not just getting a meal, you're experiencing our culture and hospitality. So come to Uganda, savor our flavors, and make some unforgettable memories. It's like a foodie adventure that'll keep you coming back for more. Please do not forget to vote, share, follow, and subscribe to The Cook Menu Show's all social media platforms on Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Love you all. Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Thank you.
Ultimately, the choice is up to each individual's taste buds. Alright, we hope this debate has inspired you all to explore the culinary wonders of both Kenya and Uganda. Thank you so much and happy eating. Thank you both for your passionate and informative debate about Ugandan and Kenyan cuisine.
Ugandan food is all about heart and soul.
Maize mami oh.